BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Earlier this month, I posted a video that Microsoft could be integrating OpenAI's artificial intelligence chatbot called ChatGPT into their Bing search engine, which means that this could enable you to have conversations with a chatbot using Microsoft Bing that can answer your questions and assist you with tasks. Now, over and above that, Microsoft has already integrated OpenAI into Microsoft Bing's image creator, which lets you use artificial intelligence to search for and create images using AI. And I have posted previous videos on both of these topics, and I'll leave links to those in the description if that would be of interest. Now, according to Microsoft's Panos Panay, who is a senior executive over at Microsoft, in case you're unaware, it seems that future versions of the Windows operating system, be it up-and-coming versions of Windows 11 or even possibly Windows 12, will integrate artificial intelligence to a much larger degree in the operating systems. And he made a couple of interesting comments at AMD's recent CES 2023 keynote, which took place earlier this month in January 2023. Now, before we have a look at the comments by Panos Panay, just to give you a brief overview as to what ChatGPT is all about, in case you are unaware. According to Wikipedia, ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and as I did mention, is a chatbot, and it was launched by OpenAI in November of 2022, and that was the 30th of November last year to be exact. It's built on top of OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. So as I mentioned in a previous video, it will basically enable you to have conversations with the chatbot that can answer your questions and assist you with tasks. Now, according to Microsoft's Panos Panay, he has said this at that recent keynote of AMD earlier this month. He mentioned, and I'm quoting this, AI is going to reinvent how you do everything on Windows, quite literally. So basically, his comments suggest that a future version of Windows 11 or even possibly Windows 12 will be basically an AI, artificial intelligence powerhouse with improved verbal capabilities, as I mentioned, that can help you have conversations and basically help you with everyday tasks and different aspects of using the Windows operating system. Now, this is not the first time that Microsoft has integrated artificial intelligence into their operating system. And a very simple example of artificial intelligence to some extent would be Cortana with the Windows operating system. I mean, your Google Assistant on your Android phone, and also Siri if you are using Mac and a iOS phone. And what this means is that, as mentioned, future versions of Windows will result in a fully conversational AI, which will help you with everyday tasks and assist you with questions, as mentioned, which Microsoft is already thinking of integrating into the Microsoft Bing search and has already integrated into the Microsoft Bing image creator, as I have mentioned previously. Now, getting back to Panos Panay's comment. The only problem, though, with artificial intelligence, he says it's very computer and compute intensive. And they haven't been able to do anything like this before in Windows to a larger degree. And he carries on to say, we have never seen these intensive workloads at this scale before. So as mentioned, very computer intensive. And he says that, and they write here, so basically artificial intelligence is starting to roll out, and it's actually becoming quite a hot topic if you do read different media outlets regarding AI. Now, he carries on to say it's going to need an operating system that blurs the line between cloud and edge, and that's what we are doing right now. So basically, that's hinting towards they are already working on artificial intelligence in up-and-coming versions of Windows, be it a future version of Windows 11 or even possibly Windows 12, which, according to reports, and I have posted on previously, could possibly even roll out, Windows 12 could roll out in 2024. So at this stage, because the system requirements would have to be a lot stricter than they currently are for the current Windows 11 operating system, it seems that a future version of Windows would have to be a lot more cloud-based when it comes to future versions of the Windows operating system, which means that's in terms of system requirements, because I don't think it would be very wise for Microsoft at this stage, personally, to up the system requirements which they currently have for Windows 11. So it could be expected that artificial intelligence integrated into future versions of Windows, be it Windows 11 or Windows 12, would be more cloud-based, which, as I did mention, they are already thinking of using with the Bing search and have already integrated into the image creator. So that's just a bit of an information video about some comments that Panos Panay made at that recent AMD keynote earlier this month in January. And obviously, as more information becomes available and we do get more info and wind of what their plans are regarding artificial intelligence in up-and-coming versions of Windows, I will obviously post and let you know accordingly. So I know this was a little bit of a long one, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.